Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about Alberta PNP Program. Everyone who's applying for Canada permanent residency would know that Alberta has the easiest eligibility criteria. So as long as you have 300 plus CRS ranking score and eligible express entry profile, you can apply for Alberta PNP Program. But do you think everybody who has 300 plus points get through this process? The answer is no. Not everyone is getting through this process. Alberta has defined 4 additional priorities on their website. They give the priority to people who have a job offer letter from an eligible employer in Alberta. The second priority they give to people who are graduated from Alberta. The third, if you have a relative living in Alberta, like your brother, sister, uncle, aunt, anybody living over there. And fourth, if you have French as your first language. So if you meet any of these additional criteria, then I'd strongly recommend that Alberta PNP is the way to move forward for it. In regards to the job offer letter, Alberta has recently started a new program which is called as Accelerated Tech Pathway Program. In that program, they have defined approximately 45 NOC codes, and if you have experience in any of those occupation, then and you have a job offer letter from the qualified employer, then there are very good chance that you will get through this process. These NOCs are of all domains like IT domain, marketing, sales, engineering, health, any of there's a list of NOC codes, and you should have a job offer letter to qualify for this process. Signature visas help a lot of people to find qualified employers in Alberta in this accelerated tech pathway. So if you are interested in moving to Alberta, contact us and we'll surely help you out to find a right employer and a job in Alberta, and you will get the PNP of Alberta very soon. Now let's talk about how does this work, the process of getting a PNP in Alberta. It's very similar to rest of the provinces, that you create an express entry profile. In the express entry profile, you upload the additional criteria which I just mentioned, and you will wait till your application gets selected by the province. Once your application gets selected, they will send you notification of interest. You submit all your documents to the Alberta province, and they will issue a 600 points notification for you. Once you get 600 points, you update your express entry profile. So your 300 plus score initially, with 600 points, it becomes 900 plus points for you. And in next round of draw, you will definitely get your invitation to apply. Then you submit your application to the IRCC, and within 4 to 5 months, you should get your passport request letter, your COPR letter from the IRCC. So guys, Alberta is a province which you should try if you meet any of those 4 criteria: job offer letter, relatives, graduation from there, or French as your first language. And if you're looking for a job offer letter from Alberta, please contact us and we will surely help you out.